Namaste, this is Sakshi and today we will learn a few exercises to make our hips more flexible. A regular practice of these stretches will help you get rid of any stiffness in your pelvic area. Make sure that you watch this video until the end as we build up the practice to go into the most effective technique. The reason why many of us face these issues is because our lifestyle is not so active and we do not squat that much, we don't sit on the floor. Even if we have a regular workout, many a times we land up focusing on our strength, and without a regular practice of the flexibility, we do not progress that much. If you have also faced such issues, then write yes in the comment section below. And now let's get started with the practice. Starting with the practice, we'll start with what is called as the Anjaneyasana. In this asana, I've placed my right foot in front, the left foot is back, and then we try and push the pelvis as down as possible. In this process, my knee can come as much as forward beyond the ankle as it can, but keep pushing the pelvis down and then extend your hands up towards the ceiling. So that's your first stretch where you're opening up this hips and feeling that stretch by going into that Anjaneyasana as you go down. Then from here, what we'll do is that we'll also coordinate with the breath and open up a little bit more by staying over here on the inhalation and on the exhalation transitioning into Ardha Hanuman Asana, coming onto our shin bone with the forehead, going down as much as possible. Then again with the inhalation, go up into Anjaneya. Take it slow with the exhalation, open up back into Ardha Hanuman. And one more time, just see the same action, which is going up on the inhalation, and you'll feel that slowly your hips are opening up as you make these transitions. And then relax and make sure that you balance yourself by doing it on both the sides. So on the other side again, go into Anjaneya. Take your time as much as you need to press the pelvis really down, opening it up, and then take the hands up and continue the same action on the other side as well. With the inhalation, go forward. With the exhalation, come back into Ardha Hanuman Asana. To further go into the practice, now come onto your mat sitting in this supine position. And then from here, take your legs up and hold the inside of your feet with your hands. This is called Ananda, Balasana, something which is very effective in opening up your hips, increasing that flexibility. If you can stay over here, feel the breath, and with the breath, with every exhalation, try and push your knees more down towards the floor. Then stay over here as long as you feel comfortable to open up the hips, trying to push them down, push the knees down towards the floor. And then after staying over here for a while, inhale over here and exhale and open your legs going into Supta Upavishtakonasana. What we are doing over here is that on the inhalation coming back into the Ananda Balasana, and on the exhalation trying to stretch our legs, pushing the back of the knees towards the ceiling. Again come back and take one more stretch, pushing the back of the knees towards the ceiling. And then come back, take as many of those stretches as it feels comfortable to open up the hips. And then going into the last of the techniques, as I promised in the starting of the session, the most effective one, which is called Malasana, the squat pose. So now in the Malasana, what we do is that we keep our feet apart, the toes are pointing out, we sit like this and we bring our palms together into this namaskar. But what is an important tip over here is that don't just stay over here. Try to bring your palms down, take that namaskar down towards the floor so that you're bringing these lower arms parallel to the floor and the upper arms are then pushing these thighs out, and you can feel that pressure between your upper arms and your thighs as they are pressing against each another, and then stay over here. Keep breathing, keep a smile on your face, and stay over here, opening up the hips for as long as you like. And then come back, sit in the pose, and that is our practice for today. If you found this helpful, please click on the like button below. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.